Hi ladies, and welcome to yet another Makeup Monday. I got a lot of requests, a lot of votes from y'all on my Instagram, which is Tumbleweed Woman, at Tumbleweed Woman, to do a video on how I do my winged eyeliner. And today's a little more subdued, not like about to go to a gig or play on stage, but I will just go through really quickly. I'm feeling a little uncomfortable in like how to like film this, so I went ahead and did it, and that way I can just talk through the little points of like how I make it look better for my particular look that I like. So I have not very big, my eyes are kind of average sized, and to make them appear wider and more like exotic, I tend to make this inner corner line go a little bit out. So I'll just kind of show you, I'll look in the mirror. Let me try this. This is a little daunting, but so just follow the natural curvature of your eye. And I like it. It's like an Egyptian look almost, but I get so many compliments on this little subtle difference that I add in my eyeliner. It widens the eyes. If you feel like you don't have wide, big eyes as it is, this is the way to go. Just it elongates them so much. Obviously you do the wing on the outer corner, but the inner corner, that's the real trick, like to make your eyes look bigger. I've already, like I said, you know, obviously done a line, but this stuff dries down nicely too. And it's a matte. Like at first it looks like it's gonna be a shiny eyeliner, but once it dries down matte. I'm not a fan of shiny eyeliner looks. So I'd highly recommend the Wet n Wild liquid eyeliner. Waterproof, actually, H2O proof is what it says. And I don't know how much this retails for, but I'll put a link in the price below in the description box. But really quickly, I know this is a shorter video, but that's the trick, is inner corner kind of extended line. And if it does smudge and like it looks a little messy, which mine kind of does today, I'm gonna go in the way you can fix any kind of like messiness that this is the way I like to fix it, at least. I think it looks good. Again, this is my only palette I own, and I freaking love it. I love warm colors on my skin tone. I know fair skin, you're supposed to do cool toned eyeshadows, but I feel like it makes me look even more pale to do like blues and purples and stuff like that. So I tend to really stay away from cool toned eyeshadows. Just personal preference. So I'm gonna go in maybe even with like this sparkly kind of red, and then a little bit of the dark brown mixed together. And just kind of meet the eyeliner at the tip and bring it in. I feel like it kind of smooths over any like awkward sharpness. Let me blend this out heavily because this is not looking blended at all. Ooh, loud. I like this deluxe crease brush from Real Techniques. I'm just gonna really like to where it's super subtle. So it's not like a sharp look anymore. It's kind of a softened winged eyeliner look. I tend to like softer looks for just during the day and when I'm really fair skinned like I am right now. So, and one more tip, if you really want to make your eyes look wider and just more almond and exotic kind of shaped and not a round eye, I really, I put a tiny bit of mascara on the lower lashes today, but not much. If you really want to make it just keep in sync with this like almond shape, then only put mascara on your upper lashes. I think that really is more flattering in general. That I'll only do upper eyelash mascara, and that's it. So happy Makeup Monday, and comment below with what y'all want me to do next Monday. I'm so excited to just keep on going with this, and yeah, I'll see you on the flip-flop.